Your BMW provides a convenient way to wirelessly charge your mobile device. It's perfect for powering up your phone while keeping your focus on the road. Go to Wireless Charging Tray. Here you can also activate the mobile phone reminder. This will provide a notification if you happen to leave your device in the charging tray. If your BMW's charging pad has a more upright design, make sure to close the holding bracket to begin charging. Your BMW will detect the device and begin charging automatically. You'll see an indicator light on the tray and a charging icon on your phone's screen to confirm it's working. Your BMW ensures your phone stays charged and ready whenever you need it. Continue watching our how-to series to explore all the innovative features of your BMW.